market, you're going to need speed, efficiency, and superior customer experience. And that means going digital. Historically, the insurance industry has been notoriously slow in adopting new technologies. The idea of optimizing workflows, moving to direct-to-consumer, or even paperless once seemed kind of impossible. That's until digital transformation started to take hold. So what is digital transformation? We hear this phrase a lot, but what does it mean for the insurance industry? So simply put, it is using technologies to automate processes and create digital customer experiences that meet changing business and market needs. So digital transformation isn't just a one and done project though. It's something that you have to evolve and you have to take small steps in order to have a winning solution. Did I get it? Okay. So where is the long pole? Well, when insurers are getting new or modified products to market, Novarica has determined that it takes about an average of 8 months for new products and 4 months for modified products. That's a long time, and the barrier tends to be when we're accelerating the process is implementation and testing. About 40 to 45% of carriers say that is where the problem is. The product is coded and configured in insurance systems, and it takes a long time. So that is why GhostDraft and Guidewire have partnered to deliver an accelerator that empowers business users to transform forms and documents into engaging experiences fast. GhostDraft's customer communications platform is designed specifically for insurance, and it enables carriers to streamline the life cycle of omni-channel communications from inception all the way to delivery. So now we're going to do a recorded demo. Let's see if I can make that work smoothly. Wish me luck.
Today, we'll cover how you can rapidly deploy forms and documents without IT involvement using GhostDraft's Fast Form feature that empowers touchless development. We'll start off in GhostDraft Hub, a centralized and role-based online tool that enables you to connect with teams, collaborate on projects, and gain complete visibility into the life cycle of your documents. This customizable dashboard lets you view and jump into recent projects, review recent activity, and manage your automated to-do list. In today's example, a new form is required for our GL product. This has already been added to the library and moved through the design phase and approved. Now I'm ready to fast track this document to deployment and make it available for testing in just a few minutes. To do this, I will start by opening the policy document. You'll see you immediately get a view of the template information and metadata. This is a simple form, meaning it doesn't include complex logic and has previously mapped data elements. For this template, my task is to include the insured name and the effective date at the top of this form. Moving to the annotated spec tab, this is where I can add new document requirements. I will simply select and drag on the area of the document to add the field. The right-hand menu allows me to define this variable data field. I can create a new field or choose one from a data dictionary. For the Fast Forms capability to work properly, you want to select the Fast Form dictionary. This ensures your data is mapped correctly and will pull the right information from your Guidewire instance. Now I can search for the insured name, which pre-fills with all the necessary information. If needed, I can make edits to the field at this stage, but for today, I'll just save the field. And I'll repeat these steps to include the effective date just below the insured name. Now that we've created the specifications for this document, it's ready to move to the next phase. If approval is required, I would change the template status to review, and GhostDraft would automatically send users notifications and make to-do list items. But today, I'll change the template status to ready for development. As I make this status change, I can add development collaborators. Once the document is in this phase, we'll have the option to fast-track the forms automation. When I select this option, I have a few choices. The first thing you can do here is generate the marked up form. You can also add this to an existing development project using GhostDraft's authoring environment called Studio, and you can even move this all the way into a package which will be ready for testing. For this example, I'm going to select all 3 steps and move through the prompts to add and attach it to the correct project. And just to show you the back end of GhostDraft's touchless development feature, I'm going to open Studio, our development authoring environment, where non-technical users can author all the rules about how content should be automated. When I open the template in Studio, you can see that it already has opened our fast form document for us in preview mode. At the top, the insured name and effective date have already been added. This sample data is pulled from our customizable scenarios that allow you to test your template logic. When I move into my markup view, I can see the variable data fields for insured name and effective date. These are connected to your Guidewire instance using GhostDraft's document domain form. Now, let's go into Guidewire PolicyCenter and see this form generate as a specimen on a quote, which we have already configured. When we generate this form in Guidewire Policy, it will pull the information to include in a quote document and become available for preview in the Documents section. No longer will you need to spend weeks in development for simple documents with GhostDraft's touchless development capability.
All right, that was amazing. Thanks, Voice of Angie. All right, let me get back to my PowerPoint. Okay, so let's talk about rising customer expectations, intense competition, and economic volatility, because they continue to change the insurance landscape, and carriers of all sizes across all of the industry are shifting focus to 3 core areas. We want to build exceptional customer experiences that drive growth and retention. We want to drive process efficiency and cost savings. And we want to accelerate digital transformation through innovation. The GhostDraft Accelerator for PolicyCenter integrates into your business to create better experiences, greater efficiency, and more agility. Again, we're designed for insurance, so GhostDraft helps carriers streamline that life cycle of omni-channel communications across the organization so that you can get to market faster. The Accelerator puts business users in control of content, allowing IT to focus on other high-value projects. GhostDraft's powerful and easy-to-use suite empowers insurers to deliver great experiences with communications that connect, to engage customers and make them more likely to spend money, try new products, and become excellent brand advocates. So, to see how GhostDraft's customer communications and digital experience suite can help you, visit our insurance communication experts at our GhostDraft booth, which is right over there, and we're the experts, so you can come and talk to us. And then I'm just going to wrap it up and say, if you have any questions,